Hey everybody! Just wanted to hop on and give you another quick tutorial. We will be starting new learning the Monday after spring break, which is Monday, April 20th. And with our new learning, we are going to be working with Microsoft Excel. For those of you that have Chromebooks or have home computers, maybe you don't have Excel downloaded onto your computer or Chromebook like we did in the classroom. So I wanted to show you this cool online source that, because you are a student of Johnston County Schools, you get free access to Microsoft Office. I will send you the link to log in on this same tutorial post on the Google Classroom. So what you're going to want to do is go to this link. You're going to sign in. I know it says Microsoft, but you're going to sign in with your school email address. Type your email address. You're signing in with your Google password. And you can stay signed in or not signed in. For this purpose, I'm going to say no. And right here you have access to the complete Office suite of Microsoft. You can see here's Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, so on and so forth. So for this new learning that we're going to be starting on Monday, April 20th, we're going to be working in Excel. So you can just click on Excel and an Excel screen will pop up just like when we were in the classroom. The only difference is it's not on your computer, it's solely online. Remember, if you want to save documents, you may be able to save. I haven't done deeper research on the online version, but you may be able to save right here online or to your computer or Chromebook. I would suggest either creating yourself a new folder, just like we did the very first couple of weeks at school, creating that Miss Jennings folder. You can create your own folder or a Miss Jennings folder at your home computer, or you can create a folder on your desktop. That way it's all right there on top. This is your desktop. You have all these icons, but you can also create folders on it for easy access. All right. So to begin, you'll create a new workbook just like you would create a new blank document, and you will see the spreadsheet pop open and you do your work. So if there's ever any questions, we'll be going through learning about all these features. A lot of it is still the same. You have your ribbon up here with your tabs, file, home, insert data. All the tabs, just like in Microsoft Word, still have groups in them in Excel. So that portion of what you learned in Microsoft Word will transfer over to when you begin working in Microsoft Excel. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm always available by email, and I wish you guys luck. Enjoy your spring break next week, and I'll be talking to you later.